Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to this Debian machine from Windows 11. This is a Windows 11 machine and we'll be using RDP or XRDP. We'll start some configurations or setting changes on the Debian machine. We'll need to install and enable XRDP. So let's go ahead and open the terminal and then we'll see what commands we need. Now, before you install XRDP, we can do an update on the package repository. So we can do sudo apt update. Put in our password here. Now to install XRDP, the command is sudo apt install XRDP, and it's already installed on this machine. Next, we can enable and start XRDP. We can do sudo systemctl enable XRDP, and we can also repeat the command and change this to start XRDP. Next thing is to check the status of XRDP. You can say systemctl status XRDP, and we want to make sure that it's active, running, and as you can see, it's also enabled. Now with that done, we'll need the IP address on this machine. We'll be using this on the Windows 11 machine to do RDP. We'll also need a username and a password. To check the IP address, the command is IP address. Now this machine has the IP address of 172.16.1.102. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna log out. So we'll take note of the IP 102. We'll go ahead and log out from here. And now we are on the Windows 11 machine. We'll need to open remote desktop tool. So we'll say remote. So we're going to be using remote desktop connection, so open it. Now one thing you can do before you try to connect, you can try and see if we can ping the Debian machine. We can open the command prompt here. And then we can do a ping 172.16.1.1.102. And we're able to ping the machine. Now we can put that IP here, 172.16.1.102. Click connect. Yes. And let's put in our username and password here. And as you can see, we are connected. The IP address is showing up top here, 172.16.1.102. If I open the terminal here, now I can check the logs to see if it shows anything to do with the connection. You can do journal ctl, and let's grab this to XRDP, and let's look here. You can see there's a connection received. So that's what we're seeing as far as the logs. Now another thing you can do, you just verify the IP address, and it's indeed 172.16.1.102. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect remotely from a Windows 11 machine to a Debian machine. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.